Jobs Growth Wales Outstanding Achiever of the Year, Corey McDevitt. Corey McDevitt is playing an increasingly valuable role in the regeneration of his local community, thanks to the Jobs Growth Wales programme. The 22-year-old from Ely started as an assistant development worker on an energy project with action in Cymru and Ely, concentrating on alleviating fuel poverty. Having completed his Jobs Growth Wales placement through learning provider iTech Training Limited, Corey's fresh approach and new ideas have led to a full-time role with ACE and a foundation apprenticeship in business administration. Rhys Lloyd. 24-year-old Rhys Lloyd, who suffers from dyslexia, left school early with no qualifications. For several years, his attempts to find regular work were held back by his struggles with mathematics and English. But a 6-month Jobs Growth Wales placement through iTech Training Limited as a production operative with GM Polystyrene has given him the chance to turn his life around. Having completed the placement, the company offered Rhys a full-time position and a foundation apprenticeship in warehousing. Lisa Marie Jones. 19-year-old Lisa Marie from Llanyshin has overcome chronic shyness to become a key member of staff at the Lookout Cafe, next door to the Doctor Who experience in Cardiff Bay. Cafe owners Graham and Jackie Jones created a Jobs Growth Wales position for a general assistant, and such has been Lisa Marie's progress that she's now been earmarked as a potential manager should the company expand. Having completed the placement through iTech Training Limited, she's now undertaking a Level 2 apprenticeship in hospitality and catering.